So let's look at the CNC Intro tutorial. It should take you about 45 minutes to an hour to go through if you stumble through things the first time like I do. Ideally, the workflow in RhinoCam, you should be able to get simple things from a two-dimensional drawing, even a three-dimensional drawing, to a machining file ready to go in a matter of minutes. It's just the way that the program is built, but we're going to go through it more methodically than that. So the first couple pages in this document are general information that tell you about the names of the parts of the machine, and in case you hear the shop crew and me talking about them, the names of the tools that are used, and a sort of introduction to the different operations that you can use on the mill. Every CNC file, every CNC job that you do is an assembly of different operations. So it's not like 3D printing where you just put your model into machine space and say, figure it out for me with a couple little details. You really have to piece together the different steps like you would manually. And those steps are either two-dimensional steps, which you can see here that are, profiling is cutting the edge of something, pocketing is hollowing out a flat area, and engraving is cutting a path along a line, like laser cutter does. Three-dimensional operations always come in groups. You have to rough out material first, and then you have to finish your material somehow. There's nothing that says that you need to finish it in this pattern, the parallel finishing, but it's the one that you'll see the most often. Finally, there are physical limitations to every machine and the type of material you can process on it. Look at this page a little bit closer than I'm going to describe it. Basically, your material can only get so deep. Your bits can only get so long. And the working size on our largest machine for the thickness of your material is about 5 inches. Any deeper than that, and it starts to get really tricky. It's really tricky anyway if you're using a hard material and trying to go that deep. And then finally, the CNC can't achieve what we call undercuts. And undercut is just part of your geometry that is not accessible by the direction of the tool. You can imagine RhinoCam is just looking, and the CNC machine is looking down on your object from the top, and everything it sees, it can cut.